Hey guys, Malcolm Moore here. Thank you for joining me over the summer up here on the Dizap Glacier. I'm still going, and I know most of you probably aren't thinking about winter right now, but I wanted to drop a quick tutorial that you can save and come back to it when the winter season has started up again. I'm going to show you lazy switch frontside 360s. So, why are they lazy? Well, the reason I'm calling them lazy is because I'm not really actually spinning the whole 360 round in the air. I'm kind of cheating and reverting that last section round. So to explain how we do it, I'm going to start with that last part of the trick, that last little revert, and it's done by using counter rotation, which is where you twist your upper and lower body in opposite directions to push the board around. So we're going to begin with a little drill. I'm going to traverse across on my toe side. Shoulders are going to be in line with the board. I'm going to do a small 2-footed jump, but as I land, as I sink down, I'm going to twist my arms in the opposite direction to my legs. So my upper and lower body are going to kind of pull against each other like that, and that's going to revert the board around. Let's give it a go. So, sink down, small hop, push it round, just like that. Let me show you another one. So I'm coming round, going across the slope on my toe side, pop, revert it round, just like that. One more time. So notice how I pop and I land on my toe side. And by landing on the toe side, that's going to stop that heel edge catching in the snow. It's going to stop you from going over when you do that last part of the 360. So now let's work on that switch frontside 180, the first part. So coming across on my heels, load up the tail, open up my shoulders in the direction I'm going, and you can see I've now landed in that position we were just in, and now I only need to add in that final step, that little revert across the slope. So let's add it all together. Coming in switch, across the slope on my heels, pop round the switch frontside 180, land on the toes, revert it around. Let's do a few more. As it's getting a bit more slushy, a bit more bumpy, I'm going to look for some small lumps in the snow. I can see one over here. I'm going to use that to help me get the pop around just like that. And you can see when I land, I'm almost turned backwards facing towards the camera because of that twist that I've created between my upper and lower body. All right, round we come, small lump here, pop it round. Ooh, messed up the pop a little bit on that one. It wasn't so nice, didn't get my weight over the tail. Let me give you a better demonstration. Here we go. Hop, still looking this way, and then I turn my head to face where I'm going. So, come round onto the heels, load up the tail, swing the shoulders in the direction you're going, and then rotate the upper and lower body back against yourself. One more, then let's wrap this up. Whee! Lazy switch frontside 360s done. Hope you're having a good summer. If you like this one, save it, come back to it in the winter, and I'll see you guys soon.